guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. We are in the car. This video could not wait. I just had to show you this haul. This is a haul from Bath and Body Works. If you saw me on IG, a lot of people are showing love and want to know what's the new that just dropped. So a new line is coming out August, I think it's the 26th or the 28th. I forgot the date. Their second round of fall, and oh my God, I have already gotten my hands on it. Y'all, it's in these bags right here. Oh my God, y'all. I had to get one of like almost everything because I didn't know exactly what I want, what I didn't want. And if you guys want single reviews on each one, I can bring that to you. So this is just going to be a full-on collective haul. And I have some things that I got for a discount too. I have a second bag. No, it's a third bag to show you guys. I did a spend 30 get 10 off, and then both of these transactions were buy 3 get 3, and I used a $10 off coupon with that too, and with each transaction, just so you know. And I went through Ibotta so I can get cash money. So if you're not familiar with Ibotta, I'll leave the link below for you guys. When you pay with Ibotta in stores with Bath and Body Works, you do get a percentage back, 7% cash back, and that can definitely be used. So guys, let's just get started. First thing I'm gonna start what's on top. Oh my God, this is Pink Velvet Cupcake. Pink Velvet Cupcake looks just like this. The packaging is oh so pretty. Pink Velvet Cupcake. At first I didn't even want to get it because one girl who first said something about the scent said this was like amber blush to her, but no, this smells like velvet sugar to me. It smells so much like velvet sugar. Again, that's the packaging. And the notes are sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, sugared praline. Another thing with praline in it this fall. No wonder I love it, because y'all know I love the toasted praline and pear. And this has sugared praline versus toasted praline. And this smells so good. Yes. This is everything. This is actually my, okay, I don't want to say it's my favorite. When I do individual reviews, then I'll find out which one is my all-time favorite. But this one is so good. So that's that. I also have it in the mist. And the packaging for the mist are super cute. Like, look at it. The mist packaging is absolutely everything. So I cannot wait to, I'm just gonna go ahead and, y'all, I sprayed it in store, but let's just douse, okay? Michael said if you can bathe in it, honey, I can bathe in it. It is so good. Again, this is Red Velvet Cupcake. I can see where the smell, you can get a little amber blush, but not really. To me, this is so much like a velvet sugar with a twist. It smells so good. I don't get no cupcake, but it's really good. The next one, because I only got 2 things out that one because they didn't have the body wash yet. I don't know if there's going to be a body wash to it, but it wasn't out yet. I got Autumn Nights. So that came back again. Autumn Nights is toasted tonka bean, warm amber, vanilla orchid. So the packaging is so cute. I cannot wait to put my fall packaging out. Like right now I'm still in the summer mode, even though I keep showing y'all fall things because I have to for the channel. I'm still in summer mode, so I'm still using a lot of summer items. But that's really cute. And I got the Autumn Nights shower gel. Isn't it pretty? The packaging, they just stepped up their game, and it smells really good. Yeah, it does smell really good. And I have it in the spray as well. So I got the whole little collection of Autumn Nights. Yes, I got the whole little collection of that. So yeah, that's that. This one I had to pick up a little bit extra of. This is the Bonfire Bash. This is what it looks like. Bonfire Bash is vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, cashmere musk. Really liked it last year. In a way. Let me say in a way. I liked it in a way because when I had it in the shower, it was good. And then when I ran out, I was like, oh my God, why didn't I stock up? So I did really like it. So this year I made sure I had extra shower gel. So here's one shower gel. We have one more, but wait. I got 2 of the shower gels. So I have 2 of the Bonfire Bash shower. I also picked up 1 of the Bonfire Bash lotions. It looks just like this. I love the packaging of the lotion. Plus, I can use this for a longer period of time than the creams. But they didn't have lotions in the other ones yet because, you know, shipment is still coming in. So it's still coming in. I just got the good early release, okay? So that's that. And I think I got the spray. Yes, I got the Bonfire Bash spray. Really, really pretty. I'm loving this second round of fall packaging. Are y'all? Let me know in the comments below if you are, but I'm loving the second round of fall. The last set, only got 2 things from it because they didn't have the lotion yet. This is the sweater. I always say sweater weather. It's sweater weather, but for some reason I say it sweater weather and I spell it sweater weather. I don't know why, but it's sweater weather, okay? And this is the packaging of it. It's sun crisp apple, autumn leaves, and orchid woods. It looks just like that with aloe, shea butter, and vitamin E. Oh, this packaging is so cute. It has pumpkins on it. It is just so adorable. I absolutely love it. And I got the fine fragrance mist as well. Does it smell like the candle? Let's see, guys. I'm going to spray some in the top. Okay, that's strong. Okay, it's strong. It doesn't smell anything like the candle. Not smell like the candle. I wish they would come out with a sweater weather. Can I just say sweater weather? Y'all love when I say sweater weather because y'all know I'm saying it wrong. So sweater weather. Y'all, they need to come out with a sweater weather that just defies the odds, you know, and smells just like the candle, but it is what it is. And I picked this up because Joanna, however you want to say it, that's my girl, Joanna McLeod. She was talking about white jasmine like crazy. So I finally broke down and got some more white jasmine. Y'all know I have the perfume in the white jasmine, but I also wanted to make sure I got a shower gel. So I got the shower gel because she said Bath and Body Works normally doesn't come out with like clear shower gel, and I was like, she is so right. So I went ahead and got the white jasmine. I didn't see the need to get white jasmine in the what's that thing, the lotion. I just didn't need it, but it's creamy white jasmine, apple blossom, white cedar wood, and it smells really, really good, y'all. Love it. It does smell really, really good. So I got that too. That was from the last fall line, but I had to show y'all the first fall line. So yeah, that's all the new news. So now let's get into the things I got for 75% off, because I had a video come up earlier today, just showing you around the Bath and Body Works. And I'm sorry about the audio. Something happened in the editing phase and the audio messed up, and I don't know what happened, but yeah. So let me show you what I got. This is everything from that trip at the outlet. I'm gonna go through it real quick. I did pick up my free item. My free item is the Pumpkin Everything Antibacterial Foaming Mousse Hand Sanitizer. It's in Pumpkin Cupcake. So I picked that up as my free gift. See the coupons that are out. Definitely make sure to check out my Instagram. I always post deals, the coupons they had sent out and everything. I also picked up another Cocoa Shea Cocoa Butter Oil. Y'all, I love this oil. This oil is everything. It's a coconut oil. Can't have too many other oils, so I got that. I got the Cocoa Butter and Shea. This is the Rich Nourishing Body Scrub. Yes, I love a good body scrub. And this is the coconut one, so I had to pick it up, at least have one for the summer. And you know, for year round, you can have coconut anytime. It don't got to be just the summer. I did pick up a winter fragrance, Winter Candy Apple. It smelled really good. I don't know. Winter Candy Apple smells so good to me, so I just had to have one. So I picked up a Winter Candy Apple. I did pick up a Cocoa Shea Cucumber Seriously Soft Body Lotion. I have already used this because I brought the stuff that I got the other day in the car, so I could show you it all together with the new stuff. But the Cocoa Shea Cucumber, y'all, this is amazing. I love this line. It is so good. It is so soft, and the lotion just melts right into your skin. So if you can get your hands on it, it's really good. And it was only $3. I think this normally goes for like $14.50 or something. So $3 was a really good deal. I did get a wallflower plug-in for my mom because she doesn't have any. So I did pick her up a wallflower plug-in. And the last item I got was Endless Weekend. It's a candle. It looks like, just like this. It was $10. So, and it smells so good. And the notes in Endless Weekend is fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, blue coconut water. And it smells amazing. Like, if you can get your hands on this candle, definitely get this candle. Everything that I got, I was so excited that I couldn't wait and make a video in the house. And my BoxyCharm came, y'all. So a BoxyCharm video will be coming next week from in the house, of course. And it's intact pretty too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you're excited about phase 2 of fall, definitely comment below your most favorite item in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.